Now, a very common way to do link prospecting is to use Google. If your job is to find websites that are talking about sales or marketing automation or SEO or link building, Google has the biggest search index in the world. It's got the most amount of data in the world. So you can type in SEO tips and you get 200,000 results. And if you actually scroll through these, Google will show you at least 4, 500, 600 of them. But if you're a link prospector and you need to find link building opportunities, there are advanced ways in Google to find the most relevant opportunities. And we call that using advanced search operators. Ahrefs has a really fantastic article about Google search operators, and it teaches you all the different ways that you can find guest posting opportunities, resource pages, link prospects, PR, just lots and lots of up-to-date data. And the way that you use search operators is it's like say if I do site linkio.com, it's telling Google that I only want to find results from this site. So if I type in SEO tips, it's going to give me only results from Linkio. I can also do something like in title SEO tips, and now I only get results that have SEO tips inside the title of the article. Or I could do in URL. I could do combinations. I could say in title SEO tips, in URL resources. Now I get a list of resource pages that have SEO tips in the title. So this is going to be SEO tips resources. There's tons and tons of combinations. So we created this tool at linkio.com/search operators tool that creates these search operators for you automatically. So it just saves you a ton of time. Let's do an example. Let's say I'm looking for a resource page and I'm looking for sales resources. So I would say for the keyword is sales. I can add multiple keywords here if I have multiple searches that I want to do. I want to make sure that sales is in the title. I want articles published in the last year, 100 results per page. And let's see, these are a list of search operators that I can use in Google. Now, the one that I like the most right now is in title sales plus in URL resources. This one seems pretty good. I'm going to click it. And then in a new window, we're going to get our results in title sales, in URL resources. If you followed my instructions from this previous video on how to bulk copy URLs from Google search, then you'll be able to scroll all the way to the bottom. And if you've installed the Gfinity Chrome extension, it's going to automatically load page 2. And you can keep scrolling and it'll automatically load page 3. And I think this is the max results for this page. And we created a bookmark that automatically opens all the URLs in a new window. So we can copy these. And these are potential pages where we can do some link prospecting. Outreach.io/resources, GrowthPoint Inc./resources. 10 resources to help you manage your sales resources. So these are fantastic link building opportunities. Copy them, use them in your process. You can also do the same if you're doing guest posting, for example. Guest blogging, past year. Here are some search operators for that. Let's say we want in title sales, become a guest blogger. Then we have a list of, here's saleslovesmarketing.co. Want to become a guest blogger, get in contact. So you get a list of relevant results for guest blogging, build that list, move on to your next step in the prospecting. So you can see that this just saves you a lot of time. And with this tool, you can find opportunities to create your own backlinks if you're just doing like directories or forums. You can find opportunities to update existing content with your link. So you find opportunities, you reach out to the blogger. You can find ways to pitch content, promote your content, collaborate. And we're going to add to this as we find more cool, interesting stuff. And that's it. If you have any questions, I'm here. AJAY at linkio.com. Otherwise, good luck with your prospecting.